Hi, and welcome to this video on Illustra Camera System Settings. To access a camera system settings, log in to the camera web GUI using the admin login and select Setup from the navigation tab at the top of the screen. Then select System from the left hand side of the screen. You will see there are several different submenus which we'll look at during this video. The first submenu is Maintenance, which includes the Maintenance, Backup and Restore, and Cloud View tabs. In the Maintenance tab, you're able to reset the camera to its factory settings. If you wish to preserve any of the camera settings, you can select the individual checkboxes so that details are saved during a reset, like the IP address for example. You can also perform a soft reboot of the camera from here if necessary, and you can also upgrade the camera firmware, which the full process will be covered in another video. In the Backup and Restore tab, you're able to save all the settings configured on the camera at any given time, creating a backup which can then be used to restore a camera if it has been reset to factory settings, for example. Our next submenu is the Date and Time menu. Here you can set the date format, the time in 12 or 24 hours, the time zone, and then the time can be set either manually from the drop-down boxes or by configuring an NTP server if you have one on your network. Next we have the audio submenu. Here you can enable or disable the audio sources for the camera as either internal or external. This may vary depending on the camera that you're using and the physical features that are included with said camera. You can also use the Audio Clips tab to upload an audio file to the camera, which can then be used as an event output when an alarm is triggered, for example. You then have the HDMI video submenu, which allows you to enable or disable the HDMI video out port on the camera, and if this is available on your chosen camera that you're using. The health monitor will give you lots of information on the camera itself, like how many times it has been reset, operating times, bandwidth, temperature, and CPU usage. Under the health monitor, you'll then find the logs menu, which will include system logs, bit logs, and audit logs, which can all be filtered to help you find specific information you or a support team member are looking for. The last option in our system menu is the About menu, where you'll be able to see specific details of the camera, like firmware version, the camera model, product code, and the MAC address, for example.